Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Matane-sur-Mer is a small waterfront hamlet that is part of the city of Matane on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in Quebec. It sits right along the river, with the Matane port and the shoreline playing an important role in the area. The waterfront is a big part of what makes this area important. The Port of Matane handles several types of commercial cargo, including pulp, bulk materials, general cargo, and wind turbine components. Fishing vessels also use the port, and there is a shipyard here as well. So while Matane-sur-Mer may look primarily residential, the shoreline is connected to a much larger working waterfront.
Thank you very much.
The ferry terminal is another important part of the local economy and transportation network. The Société des Traversiers du Québec operates a ferry service from Matane to Baie-Comeau and Godbout on the north shore of the St. Lawrence. The crossing gives people and vehicles another way to travel between the Gaspé Peninsula and the North Shore, and it has made Matane an important transportation point for the region. Matane itself has a long history connected to fishing, forestry, manufacturing, transportation, and the river. European interest in the area goes back centuries, and the name Matane was recorded by Samuel de Champlain in the early 1700s. The modern municipality developed much later, with Matane officially becoming a village in 1893 under the name Saint-Jérôme de Matane. Over time, the community grew around the river, the port, industry, and transportation. Fishing has traditionally been an important part of life around Matane, and the region is especially well known for shrimp. Forestry has also been important because of the large forested areas surrounding the city. The port and ferry also create jobs that are closely connected to Matane's position on the St. Lawrence. Housing in Matane is still relatively affordable compared with many parts of Quebec, and especially compared with larger Canadian cities. For 2025, the median selling price for a single-family home in Matane was reported at roughly $253,000. Prices can be quite different depending on the property, and homes near the water can sell for considerably more. One issue that has become increasingly important in Matane-sur-Mer is coastal erosion and flooding. The city is working on measures to reduce the risks of shoreline erosion and coastal flooding in this area. The study zone covers about 3.8 kilometers of shoreline between the port area and the western junction of Route 132 with Rue de Matane-sur-Mer. So the waterfront is not just an attractive part of the community, it is also something local residents and officials have to carefully manage. For visitors, Matane-sur-Mer offers a good look at the working side of the Gaspe region. There is the river, the shoreline, the port, the ferry terminal, and the surrounding landscape, all in a relatively small area. It is a small part of Matane that gives you a closer look at the waterfront that has helped support this part of Quebec for generations. Thanks for watching!